Shannon, hi. Thanks for taking some time to talk to us. Tell me a little bit about the kinds of headache symptoms that you were having when you first came to see me.
I was having pretty severe headaches most days of the week, and having migraines probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 days.
And how long would they last, and how severe were they? Like on a scale of 1 to 10, most of the time?
Most of the time they were usually an 8 or 9.
Okay, so several times a week.
Several times a week.
And how long did they last when they would occur?
Several days.
Okay.
And sometimes, a lot of the time, requiring trips to the emergency room.
And you've done a lot of things to try and deal with this problem beforehand. Can you
Yes.
tell us some of those things that you tried?
Several different medications, Botox treatments, chiropractic treatments, massage therapy, acupuncture.
Yeah, okay.
Tried pretty much everything that I could try.
And so when we first saw you, we determined there was a couple nerves in the back of your head, and we did some diagnostic blocks, and that helped a lot, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And so based upon that, we decompressed a bunch of nerves in the back of your head. Tell me about the surgical experience. What was the actual operation and the recovery from the operation like?
The recovery was a full 6 weeks for sure. And the pain wasn't too bad. The first few days were pretty painful to be expected, but the recovery process was definitely slow.
Okay. And so what was tough about it?
A lot of muscle pain in the back of the neck and in the trap muscles. Just not being able to do any lifting whatsoever. I have 3 kids, so that made it a little difficult for me.
Okay.
And
Yeah. So at this point, you are 6 months
Yes.
following your operation. Tell me about your symptoms now.
I have essentially, I've had 0 migraines since the surgery. I have a few occasional headaches, which are easily treated with over-the-counter medication.
And at one? Sorry, go ahead.
Just some numbness to the back of my head, and I had some hypersensitivity after the surgery to parts of my head that took several months to go away, but once I overcame that, then everything's been fine.
So would you do it again if you had to do it?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.